you how to use a very simple tool that will allow you to grow your email list. For example, if you're a company trying to make some sales and you have a very small or you want to increase your email database, I'm going to teach you how to use this tool that what it does, it goes through the Google results, from Google search, and it will look for specific emails that are related to a specific domain. So for example, I'm a startup and I'm looking to reach some investor in, for example, Sequoia. You will be able to use this tool and find all the emails from Sequoia that are stored in Google. For example, you are someone who is trying to apply to a job and you want someone to refer you. So, for example, you want to work in PepsiCo. So this tool will go through Google search and it will show you all the emails that are stored in Google related to PepsiCo. So this is a very, very easy to use, but not so easy to install tool, but it will get you all the emails that you need, because if the email is not stored in Google, you will understand how the emails of that company are composed. So for example, if it's first name and second name, the first letter of the name and then the last name, and then you will figure out the structure of the email and then you will guess it. So let's start. The tool is designed to work in Linux, but it also works on Mac and on Windows if you use the terminal. So I think nobody who is a Mac user knows how to use the terminal, but I'm going to show you how to use it. So first of all, you need to download this program. So you go to GitHub. This is a open source software, so you can download and use it without any problem. So I'm going to show you the link on the post on LinkedIn, so don't worry. So we go to the Harvest. The name of the tool is Harvester because it harvests email from different sources. It could be Google, it could be Bing, it could be LinkedIn, it could be Twitter. So it goes through Trello. So what it does, it goes through these sources and will gather all the emails. This is all public information. It doesn't hack Google. It goes through the searches and then it shows you all the emails. So we go and we download as a zip. We click on download. You don't have to sign up. Then you have to uncompress the file. I think everyone knows how to uncompress a file. You do double click and then you have the folder. Remember where you store the folder because you need the path to that folder. In my case, it's in downloads. So now it comes the hard part. You have to use the terminal. If you don't know how to use the terminal, we're going to search for the terminal. On Mac, you click search, terminal, enter, and then you have the terminal. So I'm going to clear because I was working with the terminal. So now we have the terminal is like using the OS, I don't know if you remember, or Linux. You have to write everything. So now I have to go to the folder where I store the program. So I'm going to download. So how you do it, you click on CD, you type CD and the name of the folder where you have stored. In my case, it's download. Down, and you can click on tab and it will, sorry. So now, I'm going to click on CD, downloads. If you click on tab, it will write the whole word. You just have to type the first letters and it will write it down. So enter. With LS, you can see what is inside the folder. So I have all the files, but I know the name is the Harvester. So I click on CD, and then I click on tab, and it will complete the name of the folder, the Harvester. So now I am inside the folder. So I think for how you use it. To use it, you just click on .bar, the Harvester.py. Space -b. This is what domain I'm looking for. So I'm trying to find Warren Buffett's email. So I'm going to use the domain Berkshire Hathaway. So I'm going to copy the domain. you have to click to put the domain of the company, the investor, or whoever you want to find an email, but without the www. So just the name, the domain.com. Then you have to put the limit, sorry. Then it's -L. This is the limit of the Google results, because as you know, Google results has like so many pages. So if you click on 1000, it goes through all 1000 pages of results, and it will take a lot. So let's put 100 results. I think that's the average, or you can even put like 200. And then, sorry, it's -D at the beginning. This is my first video, so sorry. -D, domain. So you put the domain with the name.com, then -L, that's the limit of results. In my case, 100. And B, -B is the source, so Google. You can put Google, LinkedIn, Trello, Google, and then enter. So what it does is going to look through all the Google results. So searching 0 results, 100, and it will tell you all the emails that it found. As you can see, I found Warren Buffett email. So for example, this is very, very helpful. For example, if you want to find the email of someone who is working in PepsiCo. PepsiCo. Look all the emails that it found on PepsiCo. So for example, Maritza Bicole, Michael Tansella. So now you know that is first name dot last name and the domain. So you can find whoever you want to find inside PepsiCo. This is a really, really useful tool. I think like once you try to use it, like I told you, you go to the folder name and you click .bar theharvester.py. It's going to give you an error, but because you need to install some libraries before using it. And I'm going to tell you how to do it on my LinkedIn post. So remember, you do like this, and remember, you can always use tab to complete it. You just write the tab, and it will complete it. -D, that's domain. Let's do, I don't know, Clarin.com. This is an Argentinian newspaper. Clarin.com. We limit the results to 100, and the source is Google again. No email found. So sadly, no emails found. But let me show you what I did using this tool. When I was trying to raise some money from a startup, I created a database with the emails of a lot of investors from the US using this tool. So I have the fund's name, domain, the name, the email, and the position. More than 386 different venture capitals from the US. So I hope you like this tutorial. I'm sorry for my English and I'm sorry for all the mistakes, but this is my first video. And please comment on the LinkedIn post if you have any problem installing this program, because I think you're going to have it. Because you need to install some libraries, but it's pretty easy to install. You just have to do this. You just copy Python, and I can send you the wiki to install this program. You just copy paste this and it will install everything. Bloop, and it will do it like this pretty easily. And after that, you're ready to use it. So thank you, and I hope you like it.